Hi guys, today we have this beautiful Ferrari 458 Speciale in the workshop for a few repairs together with its yearly maintenance. Although the car is not in a very good condition, the owner doesn't drive it very often and it spends most of its time parked inside the garage. When a car sits for too long without regular movement, some mechanical components can start to stiffen or seize. In this case, all four absorbers have become jammed and very stiff. The wiring harness of all the absorbers are brittle and damaged too. Replacing the complete set with brand new units would cost around 65,000 ringgit. Instead of going for a full set replacement, we are going to carefully dismantle the absorbers and carry out a proper repair and restoration. This approach saves a significant amount of cost while bringing the suspension performed back to the way it should be. Now, we have fully overhauled all these four absorbers and replaced them with a brand new wiring harness. Finally, since the car is already here, we will also perform a complete fluid service. This includes replacing the engine oil, power steering fluid, and the lifter fluid is at a very low level, and brake fluid. And we will completely flush and refill with brand new coolant too. To make sure everything continues to operate smoothly and reliably. Even though this Speciale is not driven very often, proper maintenance is still essential to keep the car performing exactly the way a Ferrari should. Thank you for watching. Follow us to see more supercars upgrade and repairs.